Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 2020 Nissan Leaf, and this is by Matchbox, and this is from their moving parts series. So I bought it for 399, which is the MRP, and this one I bought it from Hamleys. So as you can't get moving parts in general Matchbox or Hot Wheels anywhere outside now. So if you have any Hamleys nearby, just go ahead and check it out, because Hamleys has that, what you can say, the dealership. So they are getting everything directly to them, so you can get it from there. And only very handful of shops, like one or two shops, they are actually getting Hot Wheels. So right now I'm facing a lot of difficulty to get Hot Wheels. Hope it changes by 2024. Okay, let's open this. Let me just throw this away. Okay, here it is. So the initial impressions of this car are like, the paint job looks really nice. It's a glittery blue. Okay, the casting is not really heavy. It is very light. And as you can see, the very good quality control of metal. You have scratches on your windshield out of the box. And here also the headlights and the front grille is painted. Nothing is embossed or anything. And throughout the back, literally everything is painted. This is kind of, I think, matte black, if I'm not wrong. And this part here is actually plastic. The spoiler, you can say. And the body is made of metal, and the chassis is made of plastic. The rims are actually pretty standard rims. There are no suspension. Okay, and it's good that they included the rear view mirror. So let's open and see. Hope you guys can see the interior at least a little bit. Let me just put it in this way. It is not tight, it is. This side is pretty loose. It just shuts like that. This side is a little bit tight. Okay. So as usual, let's do a roll test. Okay. This one is smooth. It's not really hard, but it is not rolling at all, not that much. The wheel wobbles a little bit. Both wheels actually, both front and rear wheels wobbles a little bit. But it is okay, it is manageable. Anyway, we are not going to play with it, but people who wants to play with it, yeah, I personally don't want them to play with it, because they would be disappointed. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.